Starting an online business shouldn't have to take hours upon hours or need any fancy equipment or, to be honest with you, even a computer. So that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start an online business in just a few minutes, right from your phone. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be building a Shopify store directly from our phone, but we're actually going to be speeding things up because we're going to be using BuildYourStore.ai to get all of the heavy lifting done for us. Now, if you do want to go ahead and follow along with us, go ahead and unlock your phone and check out the link down in the description below, or this one right here, BuildYourStore.ai, and create your account for free. All right, let's get started. First thing we need to do is navigate over to BuildYourStore.ai from our phone. So I'm already on here on my phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start screen recording, and it's going to show up right here. Okay, so I already went through the login portion of this. Super easy. Just go to BuildYourStore.ai and just sign in with whatever email you want to use. And then you're going to see this. So the first thing we're going to need to do is simply choose our niche. Now, when it comes to choosing our niche, what I always suggest is go with a niche that you know something about, something that you understand. So that way it's easier for you to find winning and trending products. I don't know how many times I've talked to people who start a business in a niche that they know absolutely nothing about just because they've been told or they believe that it's going to be profitable, only to find out that all of the products that they're offering is either junk or stuff that people already know about. So always go with something you know. In this case, I love pets. That's one of my favorite niches. And for me, it's super easy to market. So let's go ahead and choose pets. Go ahead and click on done. Now we're going to choose two different banners that we're going to add to our website. I think I'm going to go with this one right here because I want it to be for both dogs and cats. And the top one is probably one of my favorite ones here because it's pretty funny, right? It's a dog just shopping online, already getting ready for Christmas or whatever it may be. So go ahead and click on done after we choose two of them. And now our store is ready. So now we actually need to claim our store. So let's go ahead and click on claim my store. Now we're going to have to sign on to Shopify. If you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in with an existing account, or you can log in with a completely new account. Either way, you are going to gain access to the 3-month trial that Shopify offers. Now we're going to go ahead and claim our store. So claim store. All right, now we need to go back to Shopify, which we'll do directly through here. And we actually need to activate our store. So we need to sign up for a plan now. All right, so on this part, I always suggest just go with the basic plan. You don't need anything crazy fancy at this point. You're just getting started. And quite honestly, the basic plan is enough for most businesses, small to medium size, even some larger ones. So let's go ahead and subscribe. We are getting our first 3 months for $1 each month. Just so you know, this plan does tend to change every once in a while. That's on Shopify's end. If you see a different promotion, then you'll see it on there. But they always have some sort of promotion going on. Now, really quick before we continue, if you're finding any value in this video and if you're enjoying what I'm showing you, and if you're actually following along and understanding it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. We teach you how to start online businesses and how to increase your online income. So make sure to follow. Okay, so now it redirects us to this part over here where I actually need to simply just go to the AutoDS app and click on open. This is what's going to preload our store with the winning and trending products. All right, so once that's done, we can go back to build your store and click on I'm done. And now we actually have an option to choose whether to continue with the store that we're currently working with or to upgrade to a professional one product store. Now for this video, we are focusing on the free beginner store. So let's just go ahead and continue with that option right now. Continue with the basic store. All right, just confirm one more time. And now we customize our store. All right, now from here, what we need to do is we need to register with AutoDS. So let's go ahead and click on register with AutoDS and go through that. Then once we're done registering, just click on done. For now, we can go ahead and skip the mentorship offer. And once we get to this part over here, we are pretty much done. Our store is pretty much completely built. Let's go ahead and click on access my store. And currently it is showing as a password protected store. So let's go ahead and fix that now. All right, so what we're going to do from here is we can either open up the Shopify app or we can simply just navigate to Shopify on our browser. And now what we're going to do is up here on the search, all we have to do is go ahead and look for password. We can see here our online store preferences. Let's go ahead and click on there. Now where it says password protection, we're going to go ahead and take that off, which I can't take off because I didn't add a store address. Let's do that first really fast. Now let's click on save business address. Perfect. Now we can go ahead and take off that password, scroll down, click on save, and we are good to go. So let's go ahead and take a look at what our store is going to look like now. So all we have to do is go to our online store, click on the little eyeball there. And this is our brand new pet store that we made in just under 10 minutes, all completely on our phone. So as you can see, once we start scrolling through everything, we can go ahead and scroll through. Everything is very optimized for mobile. Nothing is too cluttered. Everything is right on the screen where it should be. A lot of the times, some store builders will build your store, but they're not mobile optimized or mobile friendly, which a lot of people do shopping on their phones. So this is extremely important. Then you'll see text way too much or way too far off screen. You'll see images that are cut off. So this is perfect for the mobile consumer. Now, if we keep scrolling, we can see a few trust badges, a little bit more information. Everything again looks very clean, very aesthetic. And we even have some reviews over here. Then we have our social media buttons on the bottom. Now, those social media buttons and our privacy policy, all of our pages, it's all made for us, but they're not all 100% working. Remember, this is a store builder. It's up to us to actually jump in there afterwards and start tweaking a few of these things to make sure that everything is correct, such as, let's say, our email. In our contact us, we can add our personal email or our work email, whatever email we want to use for customer service, or a customer service phone number. We also want to make sure that we go into our social media handles and also replace the links on there as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on the little hamburger menu on the top left. Then we have our home, we have a catalog, and our contact us button. So let's click on our catalog so we can see all the products that are already in our store, everything that was imported. Here we have the season's best sellers. That image right there is perfect with the little dog and the pet bed. We have a dog grooming kit or a pet grooming kit, and we just have a bit more products going through. So everything on here is coming from the AutoDS handpicked product section, where all of the different products on there are expertly handpicked by seasoned dropshippers. Dropshippers who know what's up, they know what's trending, and they know what to look for when they're conducting their product research. So as you saw, starting a business online completely from your phone is 100% possible. And it's easier than it's ever been before with BuildYourStore.ai. Now remember, if you do want to try out Build Your Store and create your own custom store from your phone, go ahead and check out the link down in the description below. And if you want to see how you can start to scale your business after you create it, go ahead and check out this video right here.